This is how to sell gift cards for cash. In this video, I'm going to walk you through one of the best fast gift card exchange platform, especially if you are in Nigeria and Ghana. Please note that this video is sponsored by ApexPay. ApexPay is one of the best gift card exchange platform that will help you to convert your gift cards to Naira or CD, especially if you are in Nigeria or Ghana. You see, people are tired of losing their gift cards and cryptos to WhatsApp vendors, P2P scammers, and those unreliable platforms. I'm sure you've heard about those horror stories of low rate, slow withdrawals, and bad networks. Well, today I'll be sharing with you one of the best platforms where you can sell your gift cards, Bitcoin, or even your USDT online, both in Nigeria and Ghana. So if you've been looking for a secure and a reliable app with high rate and fast withdrawals, then this video is for you. This is ApexPay. You can see ApexPay. This is the best gift card trading app in Nigeria and Ghana. If you are trying to redeem gift cards with high rate or sell Bitcoin for free, all you need to do is to head over to this page, www.apexpay.org. You see this button to download your app, or you search ApexPay on the App Store or Google Play Store, and it is very fast to download, and you can see good ratings. This is an indication that you are using high quality secure platform. All you need to do is to click Get Started for you to register very fast. You get to this page to create your account. You insert your username, your email address, and your phone number. As soon as you register, you are going to receive confirmation via your email address and through SMS via your phone. All you need to do is to click on that link, and that will help you verify your account, and you can start using the app to exchange your gift cards and sell crypto for cash very fast, both in Nigeria and Ghana. On ApexPay, you can easily sell your gift cards for Naira or CD. You can sell your Bitcoin, USDT, and multiple of cryptocurrencies that I'm going to show you for free. And not only that, you can use ApexPay for your bill payments and even much more. In this session, I'll be walking you through how to convert your gift cards to cash so that you can credit your Naira account in Nigeria or your CD account in Ghana. You can even get paid via USDT. But first, you can see this is my ApexPay mobile app. As soon as your mobile app is downloaded, you will create your account. When you sign up, this is how the inside of ApexPay looks like. You can now sell your gift cards. To do that, you tap Sell Gift Cards. You select your payment method. If you want the money sent to your Naira account in Nigeria, you select Naira wallet. That is if you are in Nigeria. But if you are in Ghana, you select CD wallet. And you can also get paid direct to your USDT wallet. Don't forget that the network is TRC20. That is Tron network. Suppose you select Naira. You can see sell gift cards. As at the time of this video, these are a list of cards that you can sell for cash on this platform. So many of them. But for the purpose of this video, let's assume I'm selling my Amazon gift cards. I will tap Amazon gift cards. You can see these are different Amazon gift cards of different values. You can also observe that they have different regions. This is the common one that most of us are used to, US.com Amazon gift cards. And you can see the minimum amount of gift cards you can sell here is $25 worth of Amazon gift cards. Suppose this is the Amazon gift cards that you have, you select this. You can see card amount. You tap here to type the value of the gift cards that you have with you. Suppose the gift cards that you have with you is $25. You key in $25 here, $25. To know the value I'm going to get in my account, you scroll down, and by the time I scroll down, you can see the amount I will get in my Naira account as at the time of this video, and this is the rate. This is where you upload your gift card. You tap upload upload photo. This is where you browse to select the image of your physical gift cards. If it is e-code gift cards, that is electronic gift cards that are just series of numbers with them. That is e-code gift cards. This is where you key in the series of numbers that come with your e-code gift cards. You just tap here to enter the codes. As soon as you enter them, you just tap continue, and before you know it, ApexPay will confirm if your card is still valid. As long as it's valid as at the time you uploaded your Amazon gift cards or any card that you decide to sell on this platform, before you know it, ApexPay will credit your wallet account on this platform. That is how you sell your gift cards. In this session, you are going to learn how to sell Bitcoin in Nigeria and Ghana for free. You can securely sell your USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and much more without stress or fear on ApexPay. Let me walk you through step by step of how to sell your crypto using ApexPay mobile app. You will tap sell crypto, sell crypto. These are different cryptos that you can sell and get paid direct to your local bank account in your country. For instance, suppose you want to sell your Litecoin, you just tap Litecoin. The objective is for you to send the crypto that you want to sell to ApexPay. Immediately it gets to ApexPay, you get your money paid to your wallet that you can transfer to your local bank account. So for you to get the wallet address that you take to your exchange to send the crypto to this platform, you generate the wallet here. To generate the wallet, you tap generate LTC wallet. As soon as you tap that, you will have your wallet address. You take it to where the crypto is coming from. Before you know it, you get your Litecoin on ApexPay. Once you receive your crypto on ApexPay, your money will be credited to your Naira or CD account. And if you tap here, this is where you select if it is Nigeria wallet, if it is Ghanaian CD wallet. This is where you get paid as soon as your transfer in crypto hit ApexPay platform. Do I mention that the rates are unbelievable on this platform? You should check it out next time you need local cash. This is how to withdraw into your bank. But before you do that, you have to set up your account first. Don't forget, this is home. Under home, you see add a bank account. You tap add a bank account. Look at it, add a bank account. You can add up to 3 bank accounts to withdraw your money from this platform. You tap add a bank. You'll be able to select, if your currency is Naira, you'll be able to select Naira wallet, because this is where your money will go to after you sell crypto or you exchange gift cards to cash. That is, if you are in Nigeria, you select Naira wallet. If you are in Ghana, you select CD wallet. If you select Naira wallet, Naira wallet. Be able to tap here. If you are in Nigeria, you see list of banks in Nigeria where you can send your money to. Then this is where you key in your 10-digit bank account number. Then you do the same thing too if you are in Ghana for CD wallet account. As soon as you set up your account, your wallet will be credited on this platform, and if it is crypto that you decide to sell, as soon as the crypto hits your ApexPay platform, your account will be credited and you'll be able to see the value you can withdraw here. To withdraw your money to your bank account in your country, you come down here, you can see here, you tap it, this is withdraw. You can see withdraw. You see the amount you have here, you just tap withdraw. You type the amount you want to withdraw, then you follow the step-by-step process. Before you know it, your funds will be sent directly to your Nigeria bank account, or if you are in Ghana, your funds will go to your Momo account in Ghana. The transfer on ApexPay to your bank account in your country is very fast, it is secure and stress-free. This is how to win a share of 500,000 on ApexPay. That is in Naira. To do that, you come to rank, you tap rank. You can see this list of ranks. This is where things get interesting, but this is only for serious money-minded guys. You can earn 500,000 cash rewards on ApexPay by just trading on this platform. You can see list of top traders for each session on this rank menu. You can see this 9th session, and this session is time bound. You can see for this session, this is the days and time is going to end. All you need to do is to jump in to be a part of top traders and potential winners. All you have to do is trade gift cards on this app and you climb up the ranks. With each rank level, you earn points and cash as well. Once you get to legend rank, you enter the top leaderboard and you stand a chance to win a part of this 500,000 Nigerian naira. All you need to do is for you to start trading that your gift cards. If you made it to this end, that implies you are no longer asking questions like which app pays high for gift cards and how do I sell gift cards in Nigeria or Ghana. You now know answers to these questions. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to download the ApexPay app. Open your account and start trading today. It will be great if you can drop your comment below if you want a full step-by-step advanced tutorial about this app. I promise to get back to you. All you need to do is to create your account on ApexPay and start exchanging your gift cards for cash. You can also drop your comment below if you want a full step-by-step tutorial about this. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and ensure you share the links of this video to your friends and family members who may need fast gift card cash out. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.